Welcome back to Building Code with Ethan, and today I will be showing you how to finish up the simple platformer we just started. So if you have not seen the first video, you can go click the link in the description for part 1. So yeah, now let's start this up. Now we're going to make a new script. When I receive level reload, voila, just like that. And then remove that go-to block for now. And then make a list called spawn X and spawn Y. Just like that. And then drag those out. Make one new variable. Name it level. Set it to 1 when you start. When level reloads, go to item level of spawn X and spawn Y. So if we can have this be the first level, just add in our position to spawn X, then spawn Y. Grab one of these, switch costume to hitbox. Well, you don't really need that, but you do need to set last press to 1. And you just want to duplicate these out. You want those in too. But this is always running. And then we're just going to add in to X negative 195 and negative 29. Add that in, so that's for level 1. And then when I receive level reload, switch costume to level, that's where we add it as a number. And then now let's just make some simple detection like this. If go like this, let's just drag you down here. This is Y. So voila. Let's just set it to a very big number like that and see it's negative 202. And if we change that up by a little bit, 150 is where we should go off of. So if our Y position is bigger, or actually it would be the other way around because this is negative 150, be if it would want to eat negative 150 because it is of course lower than it. So now that that's done, so we will simply then just broadcast level reload. So pretty much the person fell off the map. And that's good. And then we'll add in one more thing. If touching color, let's just make let's make level 2. I think I'm going to put a little platform right here to avoid a bitmap, so then I can just delete that out, convert it back. You know what, I'm just going to convert it to bitmap again. I'm going to make a little bit of a red square right here at the very end, so if they're not careful. I'm just going to fill it this 100, 100, 100. So it's like just red. And if you press undo, you can try to line it up just like that. Well, I'll just make it stick out just a tiny bit. Voila. So if we're touching the color red, pretty much we failed. So start over again. And now duplicate this. If our X position is about, I don't know, right here. If 245 would want to eat X position, change level by 1, broadcast level reload. So let's try this out. Now that we've started it up, we're at level 1. Nothing much. If you're noticing that you can't jump in the air, it's actually walk in there, it's because we forgot to add one more thing. Just add the walk script right here. Like here. There we go. Just fixing that bug. So voila, we finished. But look, we automatically spawn in at 0, 0 because we added our next set of coordinates, which is right here or just the same coordinates. So voila. And we'll just add in the end. If put in the maximum level number, I'm just going to put in 2. If 2 would only level, okay, it's bigger. Just broadcast when. Voila. Make a new sprite, name it win. And then put it whatever you want, but I'm just going to put. Actually, just make a new sprite. Call it thumbnail. Thumbnail, which will be a thumbnail. Just like that. And then now make whatever thumbnail you want. I am just gonna simply upload one. So voila. Here it is. Set to 0. Enter. 0. Enter. Since this is in bitmap, I'm just gonna delete off this bottom section. Yeah, and then now that I've deleted off this bottom section, I'm just gonna have this be the thumbnail, and then this will be in. I'm just gonna write you win. Voila. And now click forever loop. Can you just drag this in right here? Forever loop. Set. You wanna set ghost effect, not change. You wanna set ghost effect to 100, which hides it until you stop the project. Put in an if else. And put that in the else section. Put this here. And then pretty much otherwise set ghost effect to 0, which pretty much just makes it show up, and then change this to color so then it's all shiny. That's if you want it. And then of course you don't really need this one. This was just a temporary thing. Now you can delete that out. And then voila. There we go. Level 1. And then now you can test out the level pool, which of course sends you back. Oof. Looks like it's a little hard. And then we're just gonna remove this out right here. So then move this up a little bit. I think I'll just delete out this and put this here, just like that. So now you can fall and restart, or touch it and restart, and then course, if you're careful and skilled, you can always cross it, but be careful, because otherwise sometimes the pixels go wrong. And then we will actually use the message when, broadcast when, and then you just want to do it right here. When I receive, when, stop, the script, and then bring down another, and then other scripts in Sprite, drag this to ground, costume, and hitbox, which hides them. Doesn't really hide them, but it stops it, so Tier wants to eat level. It's if level wants to eat level. And then, of course, put in when I receive level reload. Just do this simple check. Voila. And then, of course, we're just gonna do a little bit of changing, and then when. Set when to 0. If n equals 1. Of course, if else. And then practically putting that back together, but just if else. Put that here, put when, if when equals 1, then do that. So yeah, now you have control. But you're noticing that you're not starting at the beginning. Because of this, you just need to broadcast level reload at the beginning. Like that. And that's it. And then, of course, switch costume to thumbnail. And this one, costume to end. Yeah, like that.